Are you tired of clicking through the Google admin console hundreds of times just to update or create multiple entries? Meet SheetOps, the Google Sheets add-on that lets you manage your workspace directory at spreadsheet speed. To suspend multiple Google Workspace users at once, open your Google Sheet and navigate to Extensions, SheetOps, Users. A dialog box will open with options to fetch existing users or create a clean sheet template. If you want to target users in a specific organizational unit or manager report chain, you can use the filters to fetch them first. Since I already have a specific list of user emails to suspend, I will select just the sheet. Switching over to the Google admin console, we can see there are currently no suspended users in this domain. Let's paste our target user emails into the template. Once the emails are pasted, set the status column to suspended. To quickly apply this to all rows, click the fill handle in the bottom right corner of the cell and drag it down. Suspending a user immediately revokes their login access and terminates active sessions while preserving all existing emails and drive files. Keep in mind that incoming emails sent to suspended accounts will bounce back to the sender, and suspended accounts continue to occupy a paid license. To mark these users for suspension, we need to check the boxes in the Apply Changes column. You can click and drag across the checkboxes, or select the first checkbox, hold Shift and click the last one. Then press spacebar to toggle all selected checkboxes at once. In the confirmation dialog, select No, since we are updating existing user statuses rather than creating new accounts. SheetOps will process the suspensions sequentially. The yellow cell highlights disappear and green updated entries appear in the changelog column. Let's verify in the Google admin console. Refreshing the page confirms that all selected accounts are now suspended. If you ever need to restore access, simply change the status column back to active and apply changes again. Alternatively, you can use fetch with filters, set the user type to suspended and reactivate them in bulk. SheetOps directly connects with official directory APIs from your Google Sheet for data fetching and update. Hence, none of your data leaves your Google account. SheetOps will connect with its backend server only to verify your license status. Install SheetOps now from Google Workspace Marketplace. Link in the description below.